Welcome to WeLearn Virtual Learning Network. This is session number 23, Psychosocial Effect of Divorce, Separation and Migration. Topics which we are going to cover in this session are meaning of the term divorce, causes of divorce, divorce and its effects, meaning and causes of migration and separation. Coming towards the first topic, that is the introduction. The present society is characterized, among other things, by the declining importance of all primary groups, including the family. The family acts simultaneously as an educative unit and a socio-cultural agency. The sex and hunger urges, economic compulsion and the cultural traditions have provided a theoretical justification for the existence of the family. A family does not consist of a number of individuals. The traditional image of the family as a cozy nest of love, security, togetherness and never-ending happiness has been severely battered in recent times. This is also proved by an abundance of statistical evidence based on empirical studies that family discord and divorce is continuously on the rise. Now, coming towards the meaning of the term divorce. Divorce is socially and legally recognized dissolution of marriage. Like marriage, is governed by a variety of cultural and legal regulations that shows how difficult it is to accomplish and the personal consequences it produces. Sometimes the dissolution is by stages in a consequence of avoidance, suit for separation, legal separation, and finally an absolute divorce. A couple with high expectation of marital bliss, but relatively little marital disorganization may seek divorce as an exit from marriage. Each marriage relationship is unique in many ways. It is not always possible to find appropriate replacement for the missing partner. Divorce in various cultures and tribes. Obtaining divorce means from culture to culture. Among Muslims, divorce is only the husband's privilege and he can have it even without assigning a cause. Divorce can be obtained by merely repeating 3 times the formula of repudiation, talaq, 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 in the presence of at least 2 witnesses. A husband has to pay meher, which is the settlement to the wife out of his property to compensate her in the event of divorce. Under certain circumstances, Islamic law does give a wife the permission of unilateral action. In case of tribes from Meghalaya, divorce is permitted for reasons of adultery, barrenness and incompatibility of temperament. The separation can take place only after mutual consent. There is no possibility of remarriage between 2 such people after who have separated from divorce. The divorce is obtained in a public ceremony. The Qadis allow divorce on grounds of marital infidelity, sterility, laziness, refusal of wife to live with her husband, and theft. Among Hindus, divorce can be on the grounds of law. The Hindu Marriage Act 1955 Among Christians, there are two popularly known demonstrations, namely the Catholic, who owe allegiance of the Pope, and the Protestant. Protestants are more lenient with the question of divorce and remarriage. Causes of divorce. Some people are less tied to marriage than others. Family functions, religious taboos, or lifelong commitment to parental roles may simply have less meaning for them. The door of divorce is open to certain couples than to others because of lenient laws, encouragement of relatives, opportunities for remarriage, and in general the prospect of freedom without the economic, religious, and psychological penalties, which poses a threat for others. The major causes of divorce are modernization, growing aspects of change, high personal aspirations, growth of the nuclear family, declining values, physical separation. Divorce and its effects. Any change from the present situation to another situation creates disruptions in life. Divorce is devastating situation for both the partners. The partners who got united because of shared goal or for proximity, when faced with the actual situation of divorce, take some time to adjust to the new situation. This disrupting process gives rise to many behavioral changes among the partners and those who are also affected directly or indirectly by it. Some of the effects are stress. Number one is stress. Stress can be defined as the bodily reaction that can occur in response to either internal cognitive stimuli or external environmental stimuli. A stimulus that causes stress is known as a stressor. The stress which is experienced consists of bodily responses, increased heart rate and blood pressure, dry mouth, rapid breathing, and so forth. Next is the low self-esteem and a feeling of failure. The divorce sometimes leaves a negative effect of reduced self-esteem on the partners. It can affect one's performance in day-to-day activities. Next is the rise in the aggressiveness or anger. Many times the negative emotions may lead to mental imbalance of the people, which can result in raised anger or aggression in the temperament. Depression. Divorce has been rated as the second main cause of stress for the partners and their children. The process tires a person mentally as well as physically, sometimes resulting in depression and sense of regret. Next is rise in delinquency. It has been found through various studies that the major percentage of delinquents and rise in crime among the young people result from children coming from broken home or a single parent family. Effect of divorce. We will discuss the effect of divorce under three broad headings, which are as follows: effect on children, effect on partners, and effect on family. So coming towards the number one, that is effect on children. Children are the direct sufferer by the dissolution of the marriage. The incapability of the adults to get along well affects the child negatively. Single parenting is a difficult situation for the child in all the stages of his or her growth. In the infancy stage, the child misses the affection of both the parents, as one of the parent is not present and one parent may not be able to substitute the other. Children are distressed when their parents divorce. Children under the age of 5 may react with rage and grief. Next are the effects on partners. As stated earlier, divorce causes a devastating experience for both the partners. The two persons who have been through sharing a common goal separate, which gives an emotional as well as social shock to both of them. Emotional shock in terms of habit of staying together, fulfillment, the needs of each other, caring and the bond of love, which suddenly comes to a shock. Though the capability of adjustment oneself to a particular situation is a typical feature of the human species, divorce takes time and many a times the vacuum remains for the lifetime. Effect on the family. Divorce is the predominantly an urban phenomena. Regarding marriage, Kirkpatrick says the essence of the contract is consent with full expectation of exclusiveness and indissolubility. In other words, the idea of marriage as sacred made it dissoluble. Though divorce takes place between the two partners who united as a result of marriage, the family is also affected in the process. Next is the migration. Migration is the orderly defined as the relatively permanent movement of the persons over a significant distance from their place and residence, usually place of birth. With respect to international migration, the United Nations has recommended removal for 1 year or more as permanent migration, while a stay for the shorter period is classified as a visit. Causes of separation. Economic factors. India has been a country of villages, where there are no other means of improving one's economic conditions other than the traditional way and means of livelihood. One may opt for migration. People find better options for the betterment of one's economic condition in the cities. Next is the opportunities. More and more young people are migrating to urban places where they can utilize their potential and earn more. Job opportunities and choice of a job of one's interest are more readily available in urban areas. Next is the modernization. Most of the people residing in the village are bound by the family tradition and custom. In order to opt to change outlook and break away from custom and traditions, some people migrate. Fourth point is job transfer. Job transfers are also a major cause of migration or separation, especially for the employed people. In most cases, when job transfer in government services or allied sector like the banking sector take place, the employee have to leave behind the spouse and children, occasionally visit them. Next is, what is the difference between separation and bereavement? Death of spouse or bereavement is surrounded by rituals, ceremonies and obligations, in part because death was always been viewed as an unwell institution, an unwanted tragedy. Unlike divorce, bereavement does not create hostility towards the former spouse. Separation can take place due to many factors. These are job transfer, procedure before divorce, mental incompatibility, job opportunities. Consequences of separation and bereavement. Separating from anything which is close to our heart is painful and many a times can be very frustrating. Separation and bereavement have many consequences which harm a person emotionally, socially, and economically. Let us study some of these consequences one by one. So, number one is it causes frustration among the partners, as abundance of the other partners causes disturbances in the normal routine and also increases workload. It will also affect children's study. If one falls sick, the trauma can be worse. There is loss of mental support provided by the other partner, thus causing stress. Bereavement or loss of one's spouse is ranked as the topmost factor causing stress. Feeling of failure and loss of identity develop among the partners in case of bereavement. Next is rise in crime among the children of the separated or divorced partner is common. Sixth is the depression. Next is the social acceptance and some extent. Next is economic troublesome. Next is extramarital relations, which can lead to acquiring, emerging and re-emerging decreases. Now in the last there are a few questions which are based on this session. Question number 1 is what are the effects of divorce? And question number 2 is what are the causes of migration and separation? That's all for this session. Thank you. Happy learning. We learning.